Alright guys, it's literally been about 2 weeks. This has been in for 2 weeks. So yeah, I didn't record like the modeling clip of when it was first freshly installed because I just got sick and just busy. So please forgive me for that. But now I'm 2 weeks in and I have to tell you guys, I am in love with this hair. I'm in love with this particular protective style, and I just love the braiding pattern. It's just the best braiding pattern. It looks as if like I've actually braided this hair and its extensions into my hair. You can also see in the back like how natural it looks. So yeah, big ups to Beauty Can Braid. That's where I learned the braiding pattern from, and it was at first a little difficult for me to start it off, but after the second one I got the hang of it because, you know, I'm braiding kind of upside down. So other than that, I really do like this hair by Sensational. It's very long. It stops about at my belly button, so it's not heavy except for when I have it in updos. So it's pretty good. And what I've been using to kind of maintain the moisture in my scalp, I've been using the African Royal Braid Sheen for braiding extensions. So this is what I've been using, and soothes itching, and it has tea tree oil and extra anti-itching powder. So I have an itchy scalp. I work out every day, so I sweat in my head just like probably most people do, and this is really what I do. About every 2 days I'll just go through, you know, each row of my braids if I can, and just spray it in, just so to keep my scalp, you know, pretty much conditioned. But since it's been 2 weeks and I'm about to go on the 3rd week with this hairstyle, I am going to record a video of me styling it, because I've styled it like 3 or 4 different ways before. I've worn it 3 or 4 different ways before, and I wanted to record that video and show you how I've been wearing it. And then I'm actually going to untwist these and see what happens, and that would leave me up all the way up until the 3rd week, and it's going to be time for me to take this out and wash my hair, because, you know, this can, you know, kind of produce buildup on the scalp and make my hair even more itchy. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to get on here and talk to you guys because I really do like this hair. I love this protective style, and you're probably going to see a couple of more videos like this, and again with my natural hair and wigs, because I can't seem to get away from them. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys